Welcome back JP Technology Solution. In today's video, we'll learn how to calculate chiller load step by step, using an easy example so you can apply it to your own projects. Cooling load has two main parts: sensible load, related to temperature difference, and latent load, related to humidity and moisture. Let's take an example. A room of 4 by 5 meters, 3 meters high. Two people inside, lighting load of 10 watts per square meter, and one appliance load of 300 watts. Indoor design temperature is 24 degrees Celsius, while outdoor is 35 degrees Celsius. Now, let's add the sensible load components. Lighting, 0.20 kilowatts. Appliance, 0.30 kilowatts. People, sensible, 0.15 kilowatts. Wall conduction, 0.825 kilowatts. Window conduction, 0.22 kilowatts. Solar gain, 0.40 kilowatts. Ventilation sensible, 0.264 kilowatts. That gives us a total sensible load of 2.359 kilowatts. For the latent load, people contribute around 0.11 kilowatts. Z. Ventilation adds another 0.60 kilowatts. So the total latent load is 0.71 kilowatts. Adding them up, 2.359 plus 0.71 equals 3.07 kilowatts. With a 10% safety margin, that becomes 3.38 kilowatts. When converted to tons of refrigeration, 3.38 divided by 3.517 equals 0.96 tr, which means roughly 1 trail AC is required. So for this room, a 1.0 tr, 3.5 kilowatts, split AC is ideal. If the room gets strong sunlight or has poor insulation, you can go for 1.2 to 1.5 tr. Always prefer an inverter AC for better efficiency. Final tips. Use curtains or window shading to reduce solar load. Proper insulation lowers the cooling requirement. For accuracy, use psychrometric tools or software. Download the cheat sheet PDF from the description for formulas and quick reference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC tutorials.